Hi, I'm James.
And I'm Keelan. We had an art attack by cutting out and folding paper.
We made lots of petals and stuck them down to make colourful 3D flowers.
My name's Elizabeth and this is my half and half face. I cut out one half from green paper and the other from red. Then I glued it down, swapping some of the colours over.
Hello, my name is Andrew and I had a sunny daytime art attack. I painted a big orange and yellow sun overlooking a house on a hill. I used really bright paints to make my picture colourful and warm.
Hi, my name's Karina and I made a nighttime picture using chalks. First I drew an owl perched on a branch. Then I coloured it in with different coloured chalks. To make the stars, I splattered white paint against the background.
Yes, brilliant art attacks. Hey, and what about those two pictures with different techniques? One for doing day and one for doing night. Well, how's about putting both into a picture, both day and night? Try this. Take a piece of thick paper or thin card and put a plate on top of it and draw around the plate like that. Now, you can use a plate like this or you can use something big and round. And the idea is to mark the centre point there. Now, you can measure this with a ruler, but do it accurately, or you can use compasses. And then take a piece of sticky tack, place your card on top of it, and then take a sharp pencil and very carefully pierce a hole in that centre point like that, through the card, into the centre point and into the sticky tack. That way you protect the furniture. And then cut the circle of card or thick paper out and you will have a circle of card or thick paper with a hole in the middle. And then do another one in exactly the same way, so you have two of them. Put one to one side for the moment and then place this one down flat and draw an outdoor scene on it. Now, you can do anything you like, but just make sure that the horizon on your picture, where the sky touches the ground, is above that hole. It's very important. The horizon must be above that hole. I'm just drawing a very simple countryside scene here. Put a little farmhouse in. And let's say some hedges down here. Again, just keeping it very simple and cartoony. Draw anything you like, really. Any outdoor scene, as long as the horizon is above that hole in the middle. And just scribble in a gate. See that? Just done very quickly. Good effect there. And then when you're happy with your picture and you've finished it, just colour it in. You can paint it or felt tip pen it, and then cut off the sky. You don't need to colour that in at all, so that you have something that looks like this. There it is, a coloured in picture without a sky. But don't worry, the sky hasn't disappeared. Take your other circle of card and just draw a line that goes through the centre of that hole this time, right through the centre, not above it, like on the last piece of card, right through the middle. And in the top half, we're going to draw a daytime sky, so I'll just put the sun in there like that, and then a couple of cartoon clouds. It's a very simple picture like that. And yes, you've guessed it, in the bottom half you turn it over and just draw a nighttime sky. I'm just going to do a moon up there like that, and do a couple of stars like this. And when you've done both skies, just colour them in like you did your picture. When you've coloured them in, you'll have something that looks like that. There's your daytime sky, and turn it over, and I've coloured the whole of this sky in black, and I've done the stars and the moon in silver pen to make it all shiny. And then take your half picture and place that on top like that, and then take one of these split pins. Now, you probably have some of these lying around at school, or you can buy them from stationery shops, and just pierce your half picture by pushing it through the hole that you created, and then again through the hole in your sky, and then just open the pin out at the back, split it, hence the name split pin, and there you have a picture where it's daytime 1 minute, and then a quick turn, and it's nighttime the next minute. And you can do any picture you like. Look at this one. Here's the city, a nice sunny day in the city, and then give it a turn, and it's night time in the city. And you don't even need to do day and night. You could do changing weather. And look at this, there's the jungle, and it's nice and sunny 1 minute, and then the next minute you have a tropical storm. Try it yourself. A picture where the sky changes. And I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!